The unseen harmony. How boundaries define the flow of energy. Imagine a bustling harbor, teeming with movement. Some of the water is rushing straight ahead, pouring into nooks and crannies, while other parts are swirling in gentle, endless whirlpools. At first glance, these movements seem chaotic and tangled, but they are governed by a quiet, elegant rulebook that keeps the harbor in perfect balance. The heart of this balance lies in a fundamental principle. Our world's complex flows are actually built from two distinct, separate personalities. One personality acts like a fountain, a push and pull force that manages how water fills or empties a space. The other behaves like a spinning top, a purely swirling motion that loops within itself. For the longest time, researchers were puzzled by how these two very different behaviors managed to exist in the same water without constantly interfering with one another. The answer, it turns out, is not hidden in the water itself, but in the walls of the harbor. When the swirling circular currents slide smoothly along the edge of the container, never crossing the boundary, they remain perfectly independent. Like ghosts passing through each other, their energies never talk or interfere. In this ideal state, the total energy of the system is simply the sum of its parts, a peaceful, additive harmony where every force knows its place. However, the moment those boundaries are breached, the harmony shatters. If the swirling water is forced to leak through the walls or push into areas it shouldn't, these two distinct personalities are suddenly locked in a chaotic conversation. This boundary leakage creates an invisible coupling, an interaction energy that forces the system to behave as one tangled whole rather than two independent parts. Ultimately, this teaches us a profound lesson about the nature of our world. The independence of different forces is not an inherent trait, but a gift bestowed by the environments we build for them. When we respect the boundaries of a system, we allow nature to remain simple and orderly. When we disrupt those edges, we invite a complex, coupled reality where everything is linked to everything else.